Hello everyone, I'm Ad Minoliti. I'm here with Max, my dog, and I want to propose today for you something that is very important for my work, and I think it's speculation on a different dimension, right? I like to make this exercise of asking myself, what if this thing, is in another way, or some rules of society are different, right? So I got some accessories just to help you to imagine something different, from the ordinary. So today the proposal is to make a little bit of gardening. That is something that I start doing with this pandemic. I'm in Buenos Aires, Argentina. I'm an artist here that basically now we are all in lockdown. Nobody is allowed to leave their houses and go around, so many people start doing gardening. So one of the things I start learning from a lot of groups in social media is that it's really important to work with native plants, the local plants that are there also for the local insects, birds. I started studying about butterflies, and I learned that many of the butterflies here in the city, for example, are extinct or in risk of being extinct just because we don't have enough plants for them, right? So today we're gonna do something that could be also a gift. We're gonna take a can, plants. We're gonna make something cute, for friends or for us. I hope you like it. So first we're gonna make some holes so the water doesn't stay in the bottom of the can. Look, like a little face. Just 3 holes will be enough, I think. Of course, Max is always around, so we're gonna use a little soil, tierra. So you can mix your soil also with compost. This will help the plant. Now we're gonna cut some little pieces that we're gonna put in the can, and hopefully they will grow. So once we cut them, we put it in water. And now I have a little bit of, we call it lavanda, and another one that we call succulenta. You can just push them or you can be more gentle. I have to hold the camera, sorry. And you can also make a hole with your finger, for the succulentas. There you can see that little brown root, so we're making a hole to fix it better. A little more soil, and we're gonna finish all this with water. So now that we have the cans, we're gonna work on the paper. We don't like this brand, so we're gonna design new ones. So now we're gonna measure the can and translate those lines to our paper. So we're gonna use this format for a composition. We can create different characters, we can cut them out for collage. We can also make some work on the computer using programs for design. The idea for this exercise or this drawing we are doing now is to rethink, packaging and also brands and products. If we think how many brands come up with designs that are racist or classist, so we're gonna try to use like the same format of the can, but with a better message. So once we have our drawing, we're gonna put it around the can. So I'm using tape now, but you can use glue or whatever you have. And once we fix it there, that's it, our new packaging. So here I went for a can of super love for you, and then I made another can that is smiles with flavor of lemon. And well, now just trying with my homemade sticker to come up with another idea. Well, as you can see, it's all about, what can you imagine? What do you want to give to others? Or maybe just decorate